I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use coenzyme Q10. CoQ10 is a powerful antioxidant naturally found in your body, essential for cellular energy. It helps convert food into energy and protects cells from damage. As we age, or if you take certain medications like statins, your natural CoQ10 levels can decrease, making supplementation a beneficial option for many. When considering CoQ10, you'll find two main forms, ubiquinone and ubiquinol. Ubiquinol is often recommended for better absorption, particularly for individuals over 40. For general health, a common daily dosage is between 100 milligrams and 200 milligrams. However, specific conditions might require higher amounts, so always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. To maximize the benefits of CoQ10, it's best to take it with a meal that includes some fat. This significantly enhances its absorption into your system. You might also consider splitting your daily dose into two smaller amounts, taken at different times, to maintain more consistent blood levels. Remember, regular and consistent use over time is crucial to truly experience its positive effects. CoQ10 offers several potential benefits, including supporting cardiovascular health and boosting overall energy. It's also frequently used to help alleviate muscle discomfort, sometimes associated with statin medications. While generally safe, it's always wise to discuss any new supplement, including CoQ10, with your doctor. They can ensure it's appropriate for your individual health needs and won't interact with other medications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.